Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video on Bite of Geek. So this is the first video in a series that I'm calling Smart Bytes. So these videos are going to be up to about 5 minutes in length, a lot shorter than my normal videos. These are very much geared towards someone who is just starting out in Home Assistant. So, you know, they've read about it, they've heard about it, they've seen, you know, maybe a friend or something like that that has got Home Assistant and they want to get going with it themselves. They've got it installed on a computer, and really it's kind of, okay, where do I go next? You know, so we'll be covering things like dashboards, integrations, devices, helpers, automations, all that kind of stuff. Just kind of to get people in the kind of like the mindset of them being able to go off and read about this kind of stuff themselves, or put into practice anything that they see in the specific video itself. I appreciate, you know, there's a lot of people on the channel, you know, that are way more experienced with Home Assistant than somebody that's just starting out. So if there's anything that you think, you know, maybe I can add to the series, then by all means drop it down below in the comments. These videos will run alongside my other videos on the channel, so these obviously are just going to be in addition to those. They're not going to replace them, so don't worry about that, everyone. You know, you're not going to suddenly get going back to basics on Home Assistant. But as I say, you know, they are very much geared towards somebody just starting out, and hopefully, you know, kind of like gives you the you know, the step up and gets you on your way to really you know, exploring Home Assistant, you know, which is quite an exciting smart home platform. So today we are going to look at one of the really kind of like most exciting features of Home Assistant, and that is dashboards. You know, this is the one, very visual, very kind of like touchy-feely as it were, and the one that probably gives a lot of satisfaction to most people when they get into Home Assistant and start designing these. So what are dashboards in Home Assistant? Well, think of them as kind of like your command and control center for your home, you know, your smart home. They are highly customizable and configurable. They allow you to define different rooms, set up all your devices, you know, have automations on there, and allow you to basically play around with your smart home. And by creating these dashboards, they allow you to build something that is very user-friendly, not only for you, but also maybe for your family, to create things like, you know, the ability to control your lights, your smart speakers, your audio equipment, or even your security cameras as well. So dashboards are made up of cards that can control lights, cards that can control functions within your smart home. You can add these cards, you can remove cards, you can build different layouts within Home Assistant according to what your needs are on the dashboard, and really giving you complete control of what your smart home interface looks like. Now, when you've got Home Assistant installed, you may well have a very basic looking dashboard, and if you want to configure that dashboard, it's a fairly straightforward process. So you just click on the edit button, which is just the little pencil icon, and then you're in edit mode of your dashboard, and to add a card you just simply click on the plus button. You'll then have a pop-up window displayed which allows you to search for the type of card you want to add to your dashboard, and there are various types of cards available. So you could have ones for entities, you could have ones to add buttons, you could have ones to add information on there, graphs, you could put something like that on, or even a custom card as well. So if we just take a look at my dashboard, and the main page on my dashboard shows kind of like the current status of my house. So, you know, kind of like the temperature and the humidity, whether I've got lights on in the house, whether I've got doors or windows open, you know, who's at home within the house. So this is kind of like that snapshot of information that I can quickly glance at. I also have separate dashboards for the different areas of my house. So, you know, I've got one for the lounge, which has got things like the lighting, the TV, the cable TV box, etc. The kitchen, you know, it's got the robot vacuum, it's got the lighting, even tells me what colour bin to put out for the rubbish that week. You know, my office, you know, it's got things like the lighting, the setup for recording any kind of YouTube content, and it's even got details about my home server as well, you know, kind of like how much space is available on that and all that kind of stuff. So all very exciting, all information available at your fingertips by setting up these dashboards. So in summary then, dashboards in Home Assistant are a game changer for smart home management. They offer a customizable, intuitive way to interact with your devices to make your home truly smart. Whether you're a smart home newbie or a seasoned pro, dashboards provide the flexibility and control you need to make the most of your smart home. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss one of the following episodes in this series. If you've got any questions or comments, you know, drop them down below and see if I can answer them for you. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.